Have you ever just wanted a tablet for any of your needs, such as watching your streaming services as Disney, Netflix, Hulu, Prime, or you just wanted something to play your video games on a tablet device that wouldn't cost you your bank? Well, I got you something today. Now, under $300 Canadian, we have the Alldocube 12.1 inch. This also features 33-watt fast charging, which a lot of tablets only get up to about 18 watts. It also has Widewine L1 certification, which allows you to use streaming services, which if you don't have, you can't stream things such as Netflix, Hulu, and things like that. So this is certified for that, which you can have all your streaming needs for. And I believe for the price that you can get it for right now, which is $279.99, is a great price. Plus, if you use their coupon that they have featured with my link below, you'll save an extra $30, which will just cut off the taxes and fees that you would have to pay anyways. While I'm opening it, let me tell you a few more features about this tablet. This also has a PC mode, so you can buy their keyboard case and use it like a desktop system where you can edit and do all your stuff that you would do on a laptop. As well, it also has facial recognition, so you can use this kind of like Face ID for the iOS devices, or even Face Unlock on your Samsung device. So let's go ahead and open this. So, let's see what we're presented with. Another feature this tablet actually includes is the ability to put a SIM card in it, which supports up to 4G LTE, and that's also another reason I did get it but forgot to mention, because I want to use this as something I would put in my car to use as a GPS with a much bigger screen. Kind of does include the SIM injection card. As we lift this tray, we have nothing else underneath. So, no case with this, which kind of is unfortunate because I know a lot of them do feature it. Then we have this, which I'm pretty sure is a charging brick and the charger itself. So let's go ahead and open this up. So, as I open this up, the first thing we are prompted with is the 33-watt fast charger. So, that's what it looks like, Type-C. Just simple charger. And then, of course, we get if I can actually get it out. And then we get a USB Type-C to Type-C cable, which I'm so glad because I know a lot of tablets still to this day use micro USB. So let's go ahead and look at the tablet. Now here is the tablet itself. To me personally, it doesn't look the hugest because I am used to big tablets, but let's go ahead and look at it. So here we have the pin connectors as well as those little holes for the keyboard case. At the top, we just have a single microphone. We do have a front-facing camera as well. I'll peel that off in a second. If we look on the right side, we have the dual speakers on this side with the USB Type-C and the SIM injection. On the left side, we have the power button, the volume, and the dual speakers, which in terms of the speaker placement, it is pretty much the same, which I would have preferred them to be slightly separated. But at the top, nothing again, and at the bottom, just those connectors. Now that we have looked at everything, let's go ahead and remove the screen protector on here and go ahead and fire it on and turn it on. I'll download a few games and apps for you guys to go ahead and test it so you guys can make your decision if you want to purchase this. And all the purchase links will be left in the description. And if you're watching this on the TikTok, then you go ahead and click on my profile, and at the top you will see underneath my profile picture the link for everything. Another really cool thing that I noticed was that they actually already pre-apply a glass screen protector on it. I don't know if you guys could tell right there, but by the camera notch, they already apply one, so that's really cool. So I went ahead and installed everything that I need to and set this tablet up. Let's go ahead and look at it. So, first of all, we were greeted with the home screen itself. From speed-wise, it seems okay. Like, it doesn't seem too slow from here. Let's go ahead and open some apps up. So it's going to go ahead and ask me some stuff. Here's the Play Store. Doesn't seem like even scrolling has much lag to it, which is really nice. So I did download Call of Duty as well, but we'll look at that in a second. I'm just going to open up like a bunch of apps. Let's go ahead and play a video as well. Oh, let's go ahead and just look at a trailer. The brightness, we're going to turn all the way up. So there's that. So let's go ahead and play up another video. So in terms of the brightness, it seems okay. Like, display seems okay, but it doesn't seem like the brightest that it could obviously be. Now, you guys obviously aren't seeing the same brightness, but if I do this, maybe able to see a little bit better. As you guys can see, it doesn't make a huge difference. In person, it looks a bit brighter than it does on the camera. Let's go ahead and open up Call of Duty now. So I guess it's giving me a restart, so I'm going to go ahead and update this real quick and then come back. So I went ahead and updated the device, and now as you guys can see, I also connected a controller to it, and it says it's been connected. So let's go ahead and start a match and see how well it plays. I haven't touched any of the settings, I haven't done anything to the settings, so let's see if it plays properly or not. And if there's any lag, you guys will see yourself as well. As you can see, there is a slight bit of lag right there. Let's go ahead and choose a gun. I'm gonna go ahead and use this one. In terms of how the screen looks, it looks pretty good, to be honest, for, you know, a tablet of this price range. Doesn't seem like it's lagging or any, oh, there's some lag right there, which isn't good. So, as you guys can see, there is barely any lag. There is some lag to it, but it's not overly unusable. Well, here's a big lag. It completely froze. So I'm not sure what's going on right now. If it's the tablet itself or it is the game, because notifications are working. And it just says Call of Duty is not responding. Don't think it's going to be the best gaming tablet. So if you're going to get this for gaming, well, you might get a lot of those crashes, which kind of does suck. But as you guys can see from that, it did crash Call of Duty. So, and it wasn't even on the high settings. I did go in and check. It was playing on about medium. So if you guys tend to play this for games, you might occur a lot of lag, or you might end up having an app that crashes on you. But for most of the time, for most people who are going to use a big screen like this for just viewing content and things like that, it's perfectly fine. For streaming and things like that, it does work, and especially for the money, I can't really complain too much. If you guys have any better tablets that you guys know for the similar price range, go ahead and leave them below. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.